Because it's kind of like, can I get two thicknesses of that? Oh, it'll be close. Because I can't stand them up. It's too, is it too tall? It's really close to too tall. Maybe I can stand them up without the box. Let's see what happens when I try to close that. I'm pretty sure that's too tall. Yeah, that's too tall. So 2-inch can't go in here vertically unless I bend inward. Like there? I don't know. Yeah, that is not gonna go, because at the bottom they're tapered, so I can't get them all to fit in here. If I got another one of the deep ones that I use for like my plumbing parts, I could do that. But I kind of don't want to spend an extra 40 bucks on something that I just need. Yeah. You know, I only need a very small little separate bucket. Like, that's not big. So keeping that separate for that, I can be okay with. The only other thing I can think of as justification for one of these big, deep ones, because that's a shallow one, but I do have, I think the electrical one has some empty spots. It might be, no, the electrical one's shallow. So we'll grab this guy. This guy can go back in here. Side ones too. Stay. So if I had something like this, you know, those could stand up no problem. Like that's way taller. And then the other thing I was thinking was if I had a separate container like this just for nail gun accessories, and then there's also the fuel cells, which seem like they will fit absolutely perfectly inside these things. But do I want to spend 40 bucks on something that will use those two? See, the thing is, you can't customize which of the interior containers you get, so I can't say like I need 4 of these big ones and then a bunch of the little ones. If I was going to do that, I'd have to get 2 of these and swap pieces out. So I don't know. I don't think that's a very great idea. So I'll just look for a little one that can go and be just for these guys. And then this can go back in here. Johnny rings go on the top because they're fragile. And this can get ready to go to the garage for a while. Oh, those can stay down? Well, that's way better. I prefer the big plastic ones. You got to be a little careful with them. Like I can't toss them around because they will shatter a bit. But I prefer them to the big black ones because I can see what's in them. And being able to see what's in them, I'm finding more and more and more useful. This can go back out to the garage. And we might be getting to the point where I just have to like start hauling stuff into the car and start hauling it out to the garage tomorrow. So we might be calling it here so I can do a recycling run, get that whole pile out of here. Oh, yeah, they're not, well, my van has carpet, so stuff doesn't slide very much. So that's 5 hours I've been working 6 hours I've been working so far. And if I just flopped out now and did nothing else for the rest of the day, I wouldn't feel too bad because I'm still trying to recover. But I will go to IKEA and return these. I will take the cardboard, get that out to recycling, and then tomorrow can be, I get a visit from Santa with the dog, and I get to go to Costco and buy a Dyson. The